Alright, this video is on how to repair a Briggs & Stratton pull cord. The spring is not broken, this just the rope. I'm just going to show you a quick way how to do this. First thing you want to do is wind up the spring. Get it wound up. So it's wound up enough to pull your cord back in. And then you want to stop in here so you can get your rope through the hole to tie the knot. And once you get it in the ball part, I use a clamp. And that holds your spring. Now, take a little piece of wire and fish it through. Take the end of your pull cord, wrap this wire around it, and feed it through the hole. Until you get it in there. Pull it up out. Now you're there, and then you want to tie a figure 8 knot. Pull it tight. Pull it down so it's in there. Undo your clamp. Let go of the spring. That's how simple that is. Thanks for watching.